Blockchain technology is a decentralized and transparent digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers or nodes. It is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential applications go beyond digital currencies. Here are key aspects and characteristics of blockchain technology. 1. Decentralization. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain operates in a decentralized manner. The ledger is distributed across multiple nodes or computers that participate in the network, and each node has a copy of the entire blockchain. This decentralized nature enhances security, resilience, and eliminates the need for a central authority. 2. Transparency and immutability. Transactions recorded on the blockchain are transparent and visible to all participants in the network. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it is nearly impossible to alter or delete, creating an immutable record. This transparency and immutability increase trust and can be valuable in various industries, such as supply chain management, finance, and healthcare. 3. Security and trust. Blockchain uses cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and data. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain through consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. The distributed nature of the blockchain and cryptographic algorithms make it extremely difficult for malicious actors to tamper with the data, providing a high level of security and trust. 4. Smart contracts. Blockchain can support the execution of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions. Smart contracts automate the enforcement and execution of agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries. They can be used for various applications, such as financial transactions, supply chain management, and decentralized applications, DApps. 5. Use cases. While cryptocurrencies were the first notable application of blockchain technology, its potential reaches far beyond digital currencies. Blockchain can be used for secure and transparent voting systems, decentralized identity management, real estate transactions, intellectual property protection, provenance tracking, and more. It has the potential to transform industries by improving efficiency, reducing fraud, and enabling new business models. 6. Consensus mechanisms. Blockchain networks use consensus mechanisms to agree on the state of the ledger and validate transactions. Consensus mechanisms ensure that all nodes in the network reach a common agreement and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Different blockchain platforms use various consensus algorithms, such as POW, POS, delegated proof of stake, DPoS, and more. It's important to note that there are different types of blockchains, including public blockchains, accessible to anyone, private blockchains, restricted access, and consortium blockchains, a combination of public and private. Each type has its own use cases and considerations depending on the desired level of decentralization, privacy, and governance. Overall, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries by providing secure, transparent, and decentralized solutions. However, it is still an evolving field, and practical implementations and scalability challenges need to be addressed for widespread adoption. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.